You know, guys, what is the sad thing in this world? Sometimes life is just unfair. Because I will tell you, when you are rich, you are wealthy, everybody's around you. But when you are broke, sad to say, you are alone. I repeat, you are alone. But don't worry, guys. Life must go on. And whatever it is, and whatever happens, we are just temporary. So, why worry? Just go with your life and be happy.